In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an appointment schedule in Google Calendar specifically designed for teachers. Whether you're coordinating parent-teacher meetings, student consultations, or department discussions, Google Calendar's appointment schedule feature can streamline your scheduling process efficiently. Let's dive right in and set up your calendar for success. First, we'll start by heading over to Google Calendar. Simply open your web browser and type in Google Calendar, or click on the bookmark if you have it saved. From here, you'll need to sign in. You'll find the sign in button conveniently located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and then proceed to enter your login credentials. If you're already signed into your Google account elsewhere, this step should be pretty straightforward, as you'll be automatically directed to your calendar. Once you're logged in, you'll see your calendar view. To create a new schedule, look for the plus create button usually found on the left side of the page. When you click it, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select appointment schedule. This is where you begin setting things up. Now let's focus on the specifics. First up, you'll need to enter details such as a name for your schedule and decide on the duration of each appointment. This is crucial as it sets the foundation for your availability and helps others know what to expect. Next, you'll define your general availability. You can decide whether these appointments will repeat weekly or if you'll manually set them for specific days. To do this, you'll see an option for repeat weekly, which you can click to make appointments reoccur automatically according to your specified time frame. Don't forget to set your correct time zone to ensure that all appointments align perfectly with your local time settings. As we move on, you'll encounter the scheduling window option. This is where you customize the overall time frame for your appointment offerings. Adjust these settings according to your preferences, ensuring plenty of room for flexibility. Once you've customized your scheduling window, navigate to the Calendars section. Here you can further refine your settings by clicking on Booked Appointment Settings and then Next. This allows you to tweak your setup so it best suits your needs. As you continue through these settings, you'll encounter an option labeled Booking Page Photo and Name. Here you can add any final details like your name or a photo so your appointment page looks just how you want it. You may also choose to add extra information to the booking form if necessary. This can include specific questions or instructions you want the invitees to note. Lastly, we have the finalizing steps. Ensure that your booking confirmations and reminders are set to your liking. This ensures that both you and the participants receive timely reminders. When everything looks good, click Save to lock in your settings. Finally, you'll receive a link to your appointment schedule. Click on Copy Link and send it to your desired recipients. This link allows others to view your availability and book a slot at their convenience. And there you have it. You've just set up your appointment schedule in Google Calendar, perfect for organizing your teacher-related tasks.